Briefly describe yourself in 1 minute.
How can I address you as a senior or as a teacher?
You
As a
address me as a
senior.
senior.
Good evening, good afternoon, seniors. Myself, Tothagato Sarkar. I am from KIIT University, 4th semester, section A5, and I am from Electricals and Electronics department. My hobbies are making videos, making science project, blogging, etc.
Okay. And what are your technical skills? Anything?
Presently, because of COVID situation, I don't have any proper technical skills, but I like making audio amplifiers, electronic gadgets, musical lights, etc.
Okay. Tathagato, I have seen that you have shared some wrong file in your resume. Like it's about monostable multi-vibration. Any triple five.
Actually, regarding that, I didn't get what to upload. There was a descriptive video on the drive, but I didn't understand what to do, so I uploaded my last assignment on any 555 IC.
So, do you know what a resume is?
No.
So, while submitting, did you not see go to the net or Google and search it what resume is?
Actually, after submitting the button, I later realized this is something about my bio, and I uploaded my assignment.
So, you think your bio is your assignment?
No.
So, do you have any like resume that tells me or describes yourself? Like, do you have anything prepared like that? If you have, then you can share the screen or like.
Actually, I do some electronics repairing job, and for that, what can I share? Basic repairing videos like soldering, changing the batteries, etc., etc.
Okay. So
Small
tell me,
technician.
while soldering, we generally use a paste to solder properly,
Yes,
right?
brother. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
What is that paste made up of?
Flux.
Yeah. What is this uses? Why do
Uh,
we use it?
because there may be some metallics or alloy material that doesn't stick to the solder, so the molten solder gets stick on its surface. We use flux for cleaning purpose. There are two type of flux. One is semi-solid paste, one is alcohol based liquid cleaner.
Okay. Tell me some. Why did you want to join this society?
Actually, I have no idea about it. I just saw a Google form sent to my mail ID, and I thought it would be helpful for me if I join.
So did you go through the links and see what KIIT Mechatronics Society is?
No, actually, I clicked the Google form link only. I did some scrolling, but when I saw the time to fill up is already up, I guess.
Okay. So did you do any kind of previous, did you have any kind of previous projects, like academic projects?
I joined KIIT University on 2020. Since then, there was lockdown, and we didn't get any physical project.
No, it's not about like in your, it has to be in your curriculum. Like, did you do anything yourself? Like just for your interest or something, or to enhance your technical
Means
skills?
electronics gadget making
Not
related.
only in electronics, like in coding, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, any kind of
No,
robotic
I have
projects.
not gone at that level. I have interest on it, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, UNO, Arduino Nano, but I don't know actually how to get started. Suppose I am that is available from my nearby store. I am getting a module or a kit like say ESP32 km. After I make something wrong, the circuit gets burnt, and I have even destroyed 2 or 3 kit like that. So I am bit afraid.
Okay. Uh, Simran, Ashmita, Saga, do you have any
Okay,
kind of?
okay, let me talk. Um, which branch are you from?
Triple E, A5.
Triple E. Okay, so You did the labs in third semester, right?
Yes.
Which lab did you did? Like, can you explain?
En EMT lab, then we have what to say, the simulations, C lab and engineering drawing using AutoCAD, etc.
Engineering drawing was in the first year, right? I think.
Yes, yes.
And in this semester,
In this semester, we had EN EMT lab.
do you have any subjects like MMI, macro processor and microcontroller?
No.
No. Um, uh, Earlier you said that you have interest about Arduino and Raspberry Pi.
Yeah.
So tell me something about it. Like Arduino is a microprocessor or a microcontroller?
Microcontroller.
Microcontroller. Sure.
Yes, more or less sure because I had seen many YouTube videos making lights blinking from it, robotic arms, etc.
Okay. Can you name some types of Arduino? Like at least three or four.
One is UNO, one is NNO, and don't recall the third one.
Okay.
Just tell me what is the microcontroller chip that is used in Arduino? Name of the
If you don't know, then you can tell.
Actually, I don't know anything about that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
I got only one kit. I had purchased with some difficulty, and
okay.
my fear was I would damage it. Definitely, it happened. I gave the wrong DC supply at the jack and it got destroyed. It was supposed to be less than 12 volt, but somehow 18 to 20 volt got inside.
Okay.
Um, do you know how much voltage is required for the Arduino to work properly, or what are the desired voltages? There are two voltage levels.
Actually, various pins have various voltage configuration, like the input pin that is connected to the laptop. Get
No, no,
max.
I'm talking about Arduino. There are two designated voltage ports where you can connect power source. What are the voltage levels?
One is 12 volt, that big jack.
Okay.
12 volt,
Okay.
1 ampere.
Have you done any courses on site, like any certification course or any knowledge that you have gained in these 2 years,
No extra curricular
or
activities.
anything extra that you learn from online or something
Nothing.
from anywhere? Nothing. Okay.
Tathagato, just tell me one thing. Why do we like recruit you in this society? Why do you feel that, or how do you feel that you are worthy for this society?
I thought this would be very helpful for my future placement in KIIT University. So I fill the Google form.
Okay. Uh, Ashmita, Sagar, anything?
So, Tathagat, what is your field of interest?
Anything related to electronics, electricals and electronics.
Yeah, anything related, but it's a vast field. So, specifically in that electronics and electrical, what is your interest area? Like,
Typically, I would like to join DRDO if I get a chance. But
uh,
as we know,
you know
DRDO
what?
is very difficult
Yeah,
branch.
DRDO does a lot of things, but in that there is there is a
Defense,
department called a track. There is what
regarding
we call.
defense, electronic warfare, etc.
Okay, like you're giving a vague answers. Like you're not clear about your answers. That's why I'm asking. Like, what is the specific field you are interested in? In electronics, there are a lot of things. Like there is a design, there is a manufacturing, there is a material science. There is a lot of things there.
Manufacturer and designer, I would like to go for.
Okay.
Okay. I will give you one situation. Can you give me a solution to it?
Okay.
So in KMHS, we build projects in groups. Okay, one of the member will lead the team, and others will be a part of team member, and they all will build the project. Okay, so suppose you are the leader of the team. You are working on a project, and any one of the member is not doing their work properly. What you will do?
If he or she has some problem, we'll try to make him understand why he is not cooperating with the team. And if he or she is having some problem, we'll try to fix it. Because if we are assigned with the work, we are bound to do that. We cannot quit it.
Okay, and
Tathagata, the question
and
was, how will you fix it?
how will you? No. Yes. Aditya was right. And one more thing, I will add in this, like, how will you handle the team? Like, as a coordinators, as a members, we will also expect that
If
that 1 minute. As a seniors, as a coordinators, we also expect that the deadline should be that work should be completed by deadline. So how will you do the work in that time?
if suppose we got an physical assignment like projects, electronic project in this COVID situation, and if I am team leader, I would give them a Google Meet link and ask them to switch on their video and show how far they had approached it and see what are their mistake. Like that we can fix. And if it is in physical mode, suppose we are at hostel, I will try to reach at their compound, and if they made some mistake in the circuit, I would try to fix it, or I will call them how to do that, or watch some tutorials how to get it.
Okay.
Okay, Tathagato, tell me one thing. I see that you are quite good in hardware electronics, right? Like you like hardware more than
Yes,
softwares.
yes.
So don't you think that in this age of artificial intelligence, software and automation is needed?
Yes,
And
it is very much needed for the future of the nation, because as we can see, because of COVID situation, laborers are not available. They are rushing towards their native place. Nearly most of the Indian skilled or unskilled labor, they are from village, and most of the Indian industries that are at town or urban region. So because of the lack of manpower, lack of physical human resource, we need automation of the industry. For that,
I get
automation
it.
is needed.
I get it, Tathagato. But don't you think that you need to upgrade to automation
Yes,
and things like that? And you need to like grow up from just basic soldering and doing more complex stuffs and more automated stuffs.
yes.
So how do you propose to do that?
Actually, for that, I need a super quality leader or a teacher to assist me. In home, suppose I am soldering one thing, and I am trying to fix a adapter or transformer. By some reason the main power supply get shorted, and the entire electricity of my house gets cut off. And as I am from a complex, so sometimes even my neighborhood complain, what are you experimenting at home at night 12 o'clock? There are lots of explosive sound coming from my room, and this thing happens, so I nearby stop my experiments.
Okay, that's it, Tathagata. Uh, anyone having any kind of questions? Ashmita?
No, no, nothing.
Okay, that's it, Tathagata. We will inform you about the results and stay tuned.
Okay,
Have a
okay,
good day.
thank you. Can I leave?
Thank you. Yeah, tell me.
Can I leave?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, okay, thank you.